be exposing the fucking rat of them all. She's a faggot. She should go die in a hole. What? This hoe. Caitlin Striff, she's fucking Squidward. Like, she's been hacking me. Well, at least I'm not lying. Like she does. Looks like your first. Reputation. Nothing. Okay. Oh, nose. Oh shit! I ran out of tissue paper, and I just got this yesterday. What the fuck? Yo, Heidi's a creeper. Say no. And me. That hoe especially talked about me. Do you have Caitlin's fucking contact? I'm gonna fucking snatch her weave. If she even has one. But I wasn't even there. You don't talk to Squidward, sorry. Okay, hold on, guys. Gotta go get a drink. There's a stranger in my house right now. Yes, I'm scared. There's someone. I heard some like loud man talking like. Did you hear it?
Yeah, I heard a little bit.
Sorry, guys. There's someone here. Okay, like Caitlin is hacking me, and she wanted me to send porn. Like, first of all, even if she sent me porn, I bet it looked like Squidward. Second of all, I'm not even lesbian, and I'm a child. Third of all, she's basically a child predator since she's 18 years old. And then she's talking to children like this. She's saying, if I show my boobs, she'll talk to me.
Oh, yeah. Did you tell your friends that I told you that they were saying that?
No, that
was weird, isn't it? Like, when I told you yesterday, oh, Lord, she's like, oh, gross, why is she being gross for that? Is she minded or something?
Did she lose her virginity?
I didn't do anything. I'm like, why do you want to start that? And then she said, oh, because I like your mom.
Like, okay, first of all, even if she lost her virginity, no one's gonna want to have sex with a Squidward. Third of all, you can't even like. She said that she was watching and I was supposedly picking my nose and eating my boogers, and then she said I live in California, and I'm like, bitch, I don't even live near California. Like, stop trying to get me scared when I don't even live in California. And then she had me trying to take my duckies. Well, duckies aren't that good, but like, still. She was legit no, not gonna watch that cringy ass Musical.ly. So like, you can't even do that. You can't even know where I live when I don't even live near California. Third of all, Guys, I'm exposing Caitlin's address.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, I watched the video.
Hold on.
Who are you talking to?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, guys, my document. And like, I admit I've hacked her account before and tried deleting it. Because she hacked Heidi, who's not my friend anymore. She talks shit about me all the time, and when she has that noob ass face. Hold on, if you're gonna talk shit about me, at least make it truthful. Let's see this cringe.
Guys,
What?
people,
You're gonna die! Holy shit.
well, who, me?
Yeah, in the video.
Wait, who, me?
Yeah.
Who, me?
Yes!
Oh, I'm like the master.
Okay.
I hit my
Okay.
head one time and then I flipped up.
So, if Caitlin's like gonna talk shit about me, I will call the police. So if she's watching this, don't fucking start shit with me, and I'll fucking call the police. And because I know where you live, I'm exposing where she lives right now. I'm actually, in fact, gonna do it. Her name is Caitlin Strieff. She lives in Wisconsin, and she's 18 years old. There.
Guess what? She made a main count of you.
She could suck a dick. Isn't it like yellow and brown?
No.
Eruption. These friends.
Dude, she made a count. She made it.
What? Oh, this bitch is making accounts of me?
She
I'm making
made a
accounts of her.
count you and she said, I'm going to pack you, Mango. She said that she might pack you.
Well, tell her I'll give her duckies. Wink, wink. Wink, wink.
That's not very good.
I'll give her like a 2 pairs of duckies at least.
But, Mom,
By the way, again, if Caitlin's watching this, if I knew your home address, I'd go to your house and fucking shoot up your house. No, not that. Punch you and knock you out. So stop talking shit and stop trying to fucking act me when I'm gonna fucking act you, bitch. I know you're... Wait, no I don't, because she doesn't even have an account. Too bad, so sad. Make your own, bitch.
you're like bored. Oh, she left the call. No. Why your friends are like this? They don't like.
Meowshi. Okay, I dare you to do this. I dare you to make an account and say it's Mango. This is my main. So I don't get hacked on my main. Say this is an account you could have. Wink wonk, I'm gonna fucking kill you.
What kind of skin do you like? Skin they have? What kind of skin do they like when they have it?
I don't know.
Like this?
I don't care.
No, that's like lighter. You look like this color? No. I don't know. For me, I don't know. 'Cause I make this color.
Face makeup on my skin. My skin completely.
Yeah.
To clear it up, I didn't have any more breakout. I used to be.
been saying that my microphone's not working. So, like, fuck you, Caitlin. Fuck your mom and fuck your brother. Anyone in your family could go fuck themselves.